Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we're gonna be working on the Toyota pickup, and we will be swapping out this bench seat for the bucket seats that are in there right now. And then it has a center console in the middle, so sometimes we need a third person to go with us, and we can't because of the seats. So we will be swapping out this bench seat, and this lets us bring one more person with us, even though it's tight. But I mean, we got to work with it. So we will be keeping the bucket seats, and they need to be upholstered, so we'll just save them for later on, and we'll throw them on every now and then, I guess, or I don't know, we'll see what we do later on with them. And but yeah, we picked this up. It was super dirty. Right now it's still kind of dirty, I guess, but it was like really bad. We used the chemical guys solution and their brush with the drill, and we were going at it for a cool minute, and we got most of it off. So now it's ready to go on there. We actually got the seat belts that go with it for this middle seat. So on this side it comes out with the buckle for the driver's side, and on this side it comes out with the lap belt and the buckle for the passenger side, or something like that. I don't know, it might be the other way around, but it isn't in its best condition. But I mean, it'll do for now, I guess, until we get the other seats upholstered. So now let's go over to the truck and we'll start unbolting the bucket seats, and we'll throw this in. This is from a newer pickup truck, so hopefully it works. So let me take it over to the truck and then put you guys back on. Alright, so if you've seen the first video, I showed you guys these seats. They come with these seat covers. I'm gonna throw these away. These are trash. This seat isn't bad. Just has this tear right here, but it's gonna start getting back because you can feel it, like a little rip if you pull on it. So we have to get to these bolts. They're 14mm, and then we have to take off the center console. So I'm gonna be looking for one of these because this one's cracked, but these are really expensive. And also these seats out here in California, they're like 400, 500 bucks probably, and you can get them from a 4Runner, but that's pretty rare to come across. As well as the center console, people have swapped in the ones for the 4Runner, and I think it has like an extra console up here. But I don't know, we're gonna take this off and we're gonna run the bench seat. So let me get to removing these bolts. Gonna use the impact. Hopefully they don't snap. Okay, that's two in the front, and then we have to get the ones in the back. Put the seat forward, slide it forward, and then let me get rid of all of this. And there's two more. There's one here, and there's another one here. Okay, so now let me get the seat out. Okay, so we're gonna take this buckle off, also 14, and the new, well, the one for the bench seat is gonna bolt up to the same spot. And we have to take off this center console. There's a screw here, and there's another screw right here. I don't know, this is the first time taking one of these apart. Another one right here. I'll put these in here. Yeah, it looks like it's about to come off. So now I have to do the driver's side. Same thing as the passenger side, so I'm not going to show you guys. It's 4 bolts, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Take out this seat is pretty bad. It actually doesn't even look that bad. I've seen worse, but yeah. So I'm gonna take that seat off and then remove the rest of the the screws for the center console. I'll put you guys back on once I remove everything. Okay, so I ran into a little issue with this buckle here. Not really. I think I could just plug it from back here. And for the center console, if I remove this front piece, it's gonna look pretty ugly. So what we're gonna do is I wasn't even gonna vacuum this, but it's pretty nasty, so we're gonna bring out the vacuum this, and this is all that's gonna be removed. I don't think we'll have a problem with having this up here because the seat has like a little cutout, and I think we should be good with putting that back on so it won't look too ugly. So let me get the vacuum. Let's see if we could unplug this right now. Oh yeah, we can. My bad. Let me see. Hold on, let me put you guys down real quick. Alright, so that's all it is. You just press the little clip in here. You're able to pull this out. So I'm gonna save all these washers and stuff. I forgot how they went. I'm gonna look them up, but yeah, so all this comes off. And now we're gonna vacuum this, and then I'll put you guys back on once I'm done hitting it with the vacuum. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. This is the lap belt for the middle. So I got the bolts with it, and this plug looks like it should plug right into the stock plug for the old seat buckle. So this bench seat and these buckles are from a 89 and newer pickup truck. So now I'm gonna get to bolting these up to the cab. Alright, so I got the buckles in. The plug did fit, so it is gonna work with these belts. And one thing about the bench seat is that you're not gonna use these middle bolts anymore. So I'm just gonna put it in here and have them there so we won't lose them. So we're only gonna use that one, and the same thing on the passenger side. So let me get the bench seat real quick. Okay, so I was actually wrong. We're only gonna use 4 bolts, 2 on each side. So these aren't gonna be used as well. So I'm gonna put these bolts back in as well, and just to keep them in the same spot. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty close to the shifter. We had to remove the half of the center console because there's no space back here. It would come in contact with it, so we just removed it. But the gear still goes in without a problem. So I'm guessing the newer trucks either had the shifter a little bit forward, or the cab was a little bit bigger than this. Overall, it feels pretty good. So hope you guys enjoyed the little video. Might be helpful for someone who's trying to swap out their bucket seats. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at youngk_oxcfilms. I'll leave that in the description down below. And we'll catch you in the next one.